Hello and welcome to General Knowledge Class 2. My dear students, today in this chapter, in this session, we will do lesson number 24 and 25. Dear children, for lesson number 24, you have to open page number 38. Making music. Lesson 24 is making music. In this page, you can see some pictures of musical instrument. We make music with these instruments. So, here what we will have to do, we have to unscramble their names and write how we play them. So, let's start with it. We make music with these. Unscramble their names. The unscrambled names are given below each and every image. So, unscramble their names. How do we play them? Write B for beating. What you will write? B for beating. H for shaking. W for blowing. K for pressing keys. And S for plucking strings. So, in the right side bottom, you can see H is mentioned over there. That is how we play them. H is for shaking. We play it with shaking. Okay? Now, the first picture is of maracas, sometimes called rumba shaker, and various other names are also given. It is played by it is shaken by a handle and usually played as a part of a pair. And we play it by shaking, so H is mentioned over there in the right side bottom of the image. Likewise, we will write in other images also. I have displayed the answers on the screen for your help. So, second one is sarod. Sarod is a stringed instrument mainly used in Hindustani music. And in the right side, S is written because we play it with plucking strings. Now, third picture is of harmonica. Dear children, harmonica is also known as French harp or mouth organ and used worldwide. We play it with blowing with our mouth. So, write W for blowing. Next is, fourth picture is tanpura. It is a supporting instrument. Tanpura is a long-necked plugged string instrument originating from India. We play it with plucking its string. So, write S for it. Next one is Maridangam, or usually called as Mridang. Maridangam is a percussion instrument of ancient origin of a circular origin. Okay, and it is played with beating. So write B for beating. Now next one, sixth picture is cymbals. Dear children, cymbal, this instrument consists of a circular, flat or concave metal plate that is struck with a drumstick. We struck it and play it. We beat it. Both the metals we beat together and play it. So write B for it. Next one is saxophone. Saxophone is a woodwind instrument usually made of brass. And we play it by blowing. So write W in the right side bottom as I have mentioned on the screen. Next, now 8th picture, it is santoor. This santoor instrument is generally made up of walnut and has 25 bridges with 4 strings. That is, it has 100 strings. The keys are struck with hammer. So, we beat the strings and then it is played. So, write B for it. 9th one is harp. H-A-R-P. Harp is a string musical instrument which are plucked with fingers. So write S for it. Now, dear children, next is lesson number 25. Open page 39 for it. What you will have to do in this page? You will have to fill the blanks to complete the name of festival. See the picture? Few hint sentences are given over there. Read it out and then you have to fill in the blanks to complete the name of the festival. Okay? I have done it for you. So, for your help. So, first picture is of Baisakhi. The hint sentences are: a new forming season begins, men dance the bhangra. Usually celebrated on 13th or 14th of April. And the spelling is B-A-I-S-A-K-H-I, Baisakhi. Now, next picture is of Rakhi. Brings brother and sisters closer, also known as Raksha Bandhan, relationship of brother and sister. It is upcoming festival, will be celebrated on 3rd of August. So, the spelling is R-A-K-H-I. We all are waiting for that festival now. Now, third picture. It is of Pongal. An important festival of Tamil Nadu. The winter crop is harvested. It is celebrated on January 14th. The spelling is Pongal. P-O-N-G-A-L. Now fourth picture. See the fourth picture? Few ladies are there dancing, no? It is of Bihu. B-I-H-U. Festival linked with farming, held 3 times a year in Assam. In the month of Bohag, Kati and Magh, this festival is celebrated. People wear traditional uniform and celebrate the festival. Now next picture, fifth picture is of Onam. See the picture? So, it is celebrated in Kerala to honor a king. The monsoon crop is harvested. And dear children, boat race is held on this day. Dance is also held on, dance function. So, a nice celebration is done on Onam. People enjoy this festival a lot. Now next one, sixth picture is Dashara. Held in autumn, victory of good over evil. Vijayadashmi is also known as Vijayadashmi. It is celebrated at the end of Navratri every year. And the spelling is D-U-S-S-E-H-R-A. Dear children, write the spellings correctly and learn the spellings. Okay, write in your book, write down the answers in your book, learn it properly, learn the spellings properly, and it should be neatly written. Okay, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you. Have a nice day.